Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. This will be a short video. I just wanted to say that, well, let me go in order, I guess. So first, I made another little pumpkin out of my progress for my fall hat because I just wasn't feeling it. The yarn just wasn't giving me life. So, so I just made a pumpkin. I thought it'd be nice and moldy and gross looking. The stitches I used definitely had bigger holes than your normal amigurumi, so looks a little weird, but I used black polyfill, so that helped a little bit rather than white. I'm still gonna put a cinnamon stick on top of it, or part of a cinnamon stick, and that'll be that. Yeah, so kind of got fed up with this project. Next, I just posted the video for the upcoming project, which is the Addams Family, which I'm very excited to do. But I just don't know if I can do them on the timeline that I was doing them on before. So I might just not go live today and go live whenever I feel like it. Yeah, I'm just not feeling it. I'm not gonna even entertain the idea of going live and then getting off 5 minutes later. So, I hope you guys understand. You know, you typically do, so I'm not worried about it. So, thank you for being cool about it, and I really appreciate it. Hope you have a great day, good night, wherever you are, and I'll see you later.